there. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson. Today we have another success story. We have my man Lorenzo. He's going to share two stories with you guys. So we did partner up on a deal, and then he also got an unclaimed state funds deal as well. So Lorenzo, go ahead and tell everybody a little bit about yourself and how you got your deals.
Hey, how you doing, y'all? Thank you for having me on this channel, Eric. And I want to say thank you for all the information that you've provided me in this business. It's kind of the business where it's a lot of faith. It's a lot of faith, but once you get that proof of concept, like Eric talks about, like once you get your first deal, it's all gas, no brakes. Number one, me and Eric did partner on a deal about like 5-6 months ago. That was with tax deeds because I wanted to go do things on my own. But Eric was nice enough to provide partnership. So he gave me the leads to call. I was calling leads for in behalf of his company. And then it was a very amazing experience because I get to experience what it's like to close a deal, go throughout everything with Eric's guidance. And then we got that closed. And then I always wanted to experience with Dibble and Dabble with state funds. So Eric, his mentorship is amazing. He also helped me with tips on state funds, guided me throughout the whole process. And then typically that went amazing as well.
So share with them for the state funds deal. What state did you get it in? How did you get the leads? How was it talking to them? Were you nervous on the phone? Things like that.
Yeah, so typically I called a couple months before I partnered with you. And it was kind of a weird experience because I've never did any work like that. But it's also amazing because you could be able to do it from your house and not have to leave your house, not have any real overhead expenses. And you're helping people. You know what I mean? That's the amazing feeling. But what was your question again?
What state was it in? How did you
Okay.
get the list? And then
Okay.
were you nervous on your call? How did you talk to them?
Yeah, so it was Colorado.
Okay.
And the list was about like $300,
Mm-hmm.
which is not really too much overhead comparing to other businesses. Now, once I got the list, they shipped it over to me. I sent them a cashier's check or whatever. Got the list, was calling on it, was getting in touch with people. My first couple months of calls, it was like a lot of threats. And there was one time where like somebody had threatened me so much over the phone. I was like, man, I don't even know if this is the business for me. But that's obviously life trying to test you and trying to get you off the path that you're supposed to go on. So I pushed through. Eric was there to help me. He offered the partnership. I started gaining more confidence on the phone. And then I just went off into state funds, and then state funds is going pretty well.
Awesome. So how much was your deal in Colorado?
Yeah, so she was owed about how much was she? She was owed 31,000, I believe.
And you got your 10%.
Yeah, and then we got the 10%. And then typically Colorado takes a pretty long time to file everything, but she got all the documentation in, and we filed that for her. And then she sent a cashier's check a couple of days ago. And it's just amazing to because a lot of businesses, like other businesses that I do, that's not like you're helping people like that. It's not like you're actually gonna change somebody's life.
Exactly. I'm pretty sure that 30,000 helped her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And I wanted to get a testimony picture of her. And she's actually in a bad situation. Like I guess something's not going right in her household, so she couldn't get that picture. But I can show you a picture of the check.
Yeah, I
That's
got it. Sent it to me. Yeah. But if you got it in your hand, that's good.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, just so people could know, because like at first I didn't think this business was real, but it's very real.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, It's one of the best kept secrets. Like, people think it's crazy. We're literally finding money that's out there and nobody knows about it. Yep. So you 10x your investment. You paid 300 for the list from Colorado and you made 3,100. You 10x your investment. And a lot of people don't realize this. There's a lot of states that you can get started in that don't have as high of a charge for the list. Like they might charge you $5, $10, or California where it's free. But the fact that you paid for the 300, you're getting into a state where it's going to have probably no competition, because a lot of people aren't like you, where they're going to invest in themselves and invest in the business. They want everything quick, fast, and free. So the fact that you did that, you took that leap of faith, is awesome, man.
And another thing, if anybody's on the fence about getting the course, it's definitely real. All the checks are real. And even the partnership with Eric is great. Like if you wanna get into the business and you're not sure where to go, Eric is directing you in the right direction. He provides the best information on YouTube, in my opinion, at the best price. And typically, you can 10x your investment, and you are actually helping people.
Exactly, man. Thank you. And even if you guys don't want to partner, but you need my guidance, like Lorenzo on his state funds deal, I was just overlooking documents, making sure everything was right, because when you guys have success, that's a reflection of me with my teaching. So, you know what? Thank you, man. I appreciate you sharing this success story. And for all you guys watching, make sure you guys take advantage now. This is a great business where you can actually help people and you can help yourself. Thank you.